Hello guys! Good morning! For today's video, ako pala ay magluluto ng aming lunch. Ito guys, menikos-mekos ko na yung konting pork para sa aking Mamacita's Calderita. Sa tulong ni Mamacita's guys, napasarap yung aking calderita for today's lunch. Ayan guys, halo-haloin lang at palambutin natin ng pork. At yan, tama na, dagdagan pa natin ng konting gulay, pasarap, side dish. At ito guys, pag nakita niyo ito, sana naman panoorin niyo. Give support, likes. Thank you for watching everyone followers.